Good evening, this is Jan. Now tonight I'm gonna cook wild boar, which is lean meat with a firm structure. This is the tenderloin of the wild boar. It's considered the best part of the animal. There's a nice, quite dark red color, a little bit of fat. So I'll start with the seasoning, a little bit of salt. Black pepper, not just a little bit, cumin, goes very well with all types of pork, so with the boar, the wild boar as well, and a little bit of thyme. And then also the other side. What goes well with wild boar? Mushrooms, because the earthiness of mushrooms is a perfect combination with the gaminess of the wild boar. So I bought this package which contains 5 different types of mushrooms. These are beautiful mushrooms indeed, 5 different types. Small ones, there's some shiitake, some other big ones. Don't know the name of all of these. Oh yeah, there's some thyme and rosemary for extra flavor. Now the big mushrooms I'm gonna slice. That's better for the cooking process, so that they cook evenly, all the mushrooms. These I will slice in 4. Hot pan with olive oil. I'm gonna put all these mushrooms in at the same time. Thyme and rosemary. Gonna cook this in about 6 minutes. Now a little bit of salt to make the mushroom sweat. Not too much. And some butter. The mushrooms are done. I will transfer them to a bowl, and then I start cooking the wild boar. For the meat I'm gonna use the same pan to get some of the earthy mushroom flavors into the meat, into the wild boar. So a little bit of olive oil and some butter. 3 minutes per side must be enough. Don't overcook it. I like wild boar. I like the gaminess of this meat. And this has got flavor. Then a couple of different mushrooms in one bite. Sauteed perfectly. And as another side dish I got mashed potato. The meat is cooked medium. It's a little bit pink, not too much, it's cooked enough. Nice lean and tender meat this is. And some beautiful mushrooms. Now this is good, and with some wine it's even better. And this is a Chianti. I'll show you the bottle. It's this one. It's a Chianti Classico, so that means that's from best vineyards around the Chianti region in Tuscany, Italy. Chianti is a very nice wine match with pork, with wild boar especially, and also with mushrooms. Like the smooth tannins and the acidity of the wine, they work perfectly well with the earthiness of these dishes. The taste of wild boar is often described as somewhere between just pork, tame hogs, and venison, which of course has a very gamey flavor as well. Some more mushroom. This is good. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.